Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin, crypto, what's happening with the stock market, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys. One update every single day for you to navigate the crypto market in a better fashion. Also, if you want to join our VIP group guys, daily analysis of crypto altcoins every single day, just to give you a better input, better direction on how to trade crypto, because we are specialists in technical analysis and we can help you to do so. So let's talk about Bitcoin straight away, guys. Today, very important day, CPI coming, so measurement of inflation. I'm gonna give you my opinion straight away. Yesterday we had the PPI, very important data in regards to inflation came a little bit higher than expected. The market did not care, which is fantastic, guys. I really, at the moment, is my opinion, but it looks like the CPI could be coming a little bit higher than expected, but I am not concerned at all. Why? Because Bitcoin is still at 61,961. I believe that even if CPI comes 0.2, 0.5 above expectation, I reckon the market is going to have an initial sell-off and then it's going to rip to the upside. Why? Because from a technical point of view, we are quite oversold because the economy is weakening, and also because this PPI yesterday that came a little bit higher did not do anything to the markets. Again, I can be completely wrong, but I believe that we are very close to a bottom, maybe this month, next month, and then we're going to start to rip to the upside. But let's have a look now at the chart just to understand what's going on. And I want to show you as well a few things which makes me also quite bullish, guys. Now, looking at the charts, nothing has changed. Bitcoin is still onto this beautiful bull flag. But at the moment, guys, as you can see, we are forming a potential inverted head and shoulder. So we have a shoulder over here, a head over here, and a shoulder over here. And if you're going to be able to break this inverted head and shoulder, as I was explaining before, then we could be able to go back to all-time high over here. So it's something to keep in the back of your mind, guys. This shape is usually a very bullish shape, and if it's going to play out, of course, it's going to bring us back, to this level over here. But first of all, we need to break this area. Very important. We need to break this $63,000. If you're not going to be able to break the 63,000, that was going to be happening. We're going to go and potentially go into the downside. So be very, very careful with that. Second of all, I want to show you from a 4-hour chart as well. I'm going to go on the 4-hour to show you a little bit better. So as you can see, we are now stuck into this range over here. You can see that we have the first line over here that we need to, if you're going to be able to break to the upside, that's going to be very bullish. So I'm going to go long, but if you're going to, let's say, break to the downside, especially this line over here. So over here, if you're going to be breaking this level at around 61,000, 61,300, then I'm expecting to go at least down to $59,000. So in that case, short position over here, long position over here. Otherwise, if you're going to be stuck in this range, there's not so much trading going on. But looking at this inverted head and shoulder, guys, you can see that this chart, this pattern is actually very, very bullish. And you can see we have one on Bitcoin over here, but also look at the altcoins as well. We have Dogecoin as well having the same thing, inverted head and shoulder. We have Solana as well, Solana USDT over here, inverted head and shoulder. So many, but again, we need to break this neckline here, guys, first, okay? So I don't want to give you this hopium to say, oh, from here, there's definitely the inverted head and shoulder, because this could be happening easily. But again, we got to break this neckline over here. But also, talking about inverted head and shoulder and all of that, Solana is also, for example, printing a sort of a bull flag on the 4 hours. You can see this, and this, and if this is going to break, it can bring us back to this area. We break this area, we go to the upside. Okay, so again, I'm quite bullish, I must say, and I might be totally wrong, but that's what I can see. The market is not doing anything. Meme coins to the high heavens. So I guess we just have to wait and see for the CPI coming today in the next few hours. Also, I want to show you something which makes me very bullish as well, is the DXY, guys. DXY is still going down to the downside, try to retouch this level over here, go rejected, and looks like it's continuing to go down. So in this case over here, I can see DXY at least reaching this level, then form a double bottom over here, or to continue to the downside around this area over here. And then if this happens, this is going to be very bullish for stocks and crypto, because the DXY has an inverted correlation with the stock market. So whenever the DXY goes down, crypto and stocks go up. So if this is going to happen, guys, of course, it's going to be very bullish for stocks and crypto. And the last one I want to show you today, which is very good, is the US Treasury yield. Yesterday I was saying that it looked like the US 10 was forming a bear flag, and this actually, what happened is that the bear flag broke to the downside. We can see that broke to the downside. It tried to reclimb back up again, got rejected, and looks like it's continuing to go down. So if this is going to continue to go down, we can get a target, from here to here, and it brings us to roughly 4.5, 4.4%. So this, guys, is pretty much the fixed income. The investors, what they do, they just go and buy this, keep it for 2 years. They get a 4.8% return. To do pretty much nothing by holding cash. And the thing is, whenever this is trending down, investors are not very happy to buy this fixed income because they're only going to get 4.4%, but instead they're going to put the money into risk assets like crypto or stocks, because it's going to give a better return. So again, another positive thing for I guess another point to the bulls, to think that we're actually going to be able to rip higher. A potential, I'm not excluding, guys, after the CPI today, which could be coming, I'm thinking maybe 0.2, 0.3% higher than expected. I'm not expecting a straight pump to the upside, but maybe a little bit of a sell-off and then boom to the upside. But again, CPI has to be maybe along with consensus or slightly above. If it's going to come like 1 or 2% above, then we're going to be in trouble. But otherwise, I think we are cool. And the last thing I want to show you guys is the S&P 500. Very important, high correlation with the stock market. Looks beautiful, to be honest. Like, it looks like it just wants to rip higher and higher. It looks like a very bullish at the moment. So I guess, again, we might see like an initial sell-off down to here and then rip to the upside, or directly just go and just touch this level over here. $5,600 for the S&P the next few months. It's my target. And also the Nasdaq as well. Nasdaq looks pretty good in my opinion, and if you're gonna be able to break this level over here, then we're gonna also go way higher. But again, we are overbought around all of this, so we have to be very careful in this case. But of course, CPI, if it comes below expectation, guys, we're gonna rip like crazy. Bitcoin is probably gonna go back to all-time high straight away, but I don't think we're gonna see great CPI report today. But again, along with consensus is gonna be fine, and I'm going to be happy with that. And the last one, guys, Ethereum as well, looks like it's forming an inverted head and shoulder. And if we're going to be able to break here, that's going to be, again, bull flag coming, upside, and then probably we're going to go back to all-time high. And remember, July, we could be expecting Ethereum ETF coming very soon. And if that happens, the alt season also is going to start. But again, I believe, guys, from the last, in terms of summary, I believe that we are probably at the end of this, not at the end, but maybe another 4 or 6 months left of this bull market, and then we're going to enter a bear market, and I think it's going to be the last inning, the last wave, where we're going to go much higher, parabolic move, and then we're going to see a proper bear market. So, really, guys, I really hope it was helpful. Stay safe. Good luck today with the CPI, and of course, if you want more information about altcoins analysis, daily analysis every day, join our VIP group. We post every single day about the potential scenarios that altcoins can also have, but also we help you to navigate the crypto market in a better fashion. Take care, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for the next video.